Guess what? I'm unveiling my whole brand new YouTube channel logo designed for me by my baby sister. Thank you so much. Okay, so I forgot to do an intro for this video because obviously I shot the video for the ACM vlog about getting into Accra College of Medicine, and I definitely forgot to do an intro for this video because I meant to vlog a day in my life, and that's how I forgot. Anyways, so this vlog is just about a random day in my life during the lockdown where I got kind of productive, and up on this point I just woke up, had the bath, shot the video, edited it. Now I'm sleeping, so the part where I'm editing it is going to come right after the sleeping part, so I hope we get a sequence of things now. So yeah, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to subscribe right now as we're speaking. Give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you do for fun aside sleeping during the lockdown period. So now that I've finished editing the video and it's forming, it's going to go on ahead to do some proper reading, like my reading. So yeah, come with me. So guess who is rebraiding her hair? Somehow I always get this one to be a little bit too puffed up, but I think I'm liking it, like all gelled up look. I like it. Let's get this one done. Unwrap, 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 unwrap. I just did. So you see I'm trying to correct the length so it's like literally almost the same length with the other ones. So it's left to the last two here, which I'm going to quickly do off camera. Then I'm going to boil water and boil the end of the braids. Let's do this. So the next one to do is this one, which I'll do off camera. Alright guys, so I'm done with the, what's it called, the braiding my hair.
He's my personal hero and my dad's sponsor.
Alright,
He's performed at all my birthday parties up until age 29.
Oh god, my lighting is messing up with me.
Well, I've got him booked for next March.
I told you, Steph, you do not want
on Sunsy's bad side.
Alrighty.
Who takes a kid's party so seriously? I mean, this is just some silly side
Young
hustle.
girl, it's all done.
for
Nice
Sunsy.
left for me to put
He graduated with honors from
and
Kazoo U.
hot water.
And he got his PhD from
Now let me
Harvard.
scarf this woman down.
Well,
I'm
I am
loving
not
it.
afraid of some clown, alright? Let him come find me.
Alright guys, do not forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. And let me know who makes their hair themselves, because I had to learn how
Are you afraid of
to
clowns?
survive us. Okay, so hair is all scarfed up, and then I've put the edges in hot water. See how it's looking all refined. Obviously the shortest one is from the other side, you know what I'm saying, because I can't bring it. I'm trying not to show my cleavage because my mother will watch this video. But yeah, there we go. The home girl has made her hair. I will show you what I look like tomorrow. So it's arranged, but I still don't like it showing. Bye for now. We're gonna try to get a 360 of my hair. Thanks for sticking around. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know, have you ever actually had to make your hair yourself? This is goals. I've been trying to get these chunky braids done for myself for a while. I just never got around to it, and I got it done myself.